Hey friends, this is Atikop here. Well, and welcome to the new update on render token. Previously, we have been watching this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that was happening on the 4-hour time frame chart. And right now, we can see that after this breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price line is still moving here sideways. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and we will also watch this huge breakout from this big down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of render. That was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that render formed with Bitcoin pair. And I shared this idea on 14th of January 2023. And this pattern was, by the way, formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. When I shared this idea at that time, it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can expect a slight more drop. And after a slight more drop, it will be entered in this potential reversal zone. And then we can expect a price reversal. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg here. Then we had a very, very powerful price reversal. That was, by the way, more than 270% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move. And even at that time, when I shared this idea, it was completing the final leg of this bat on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line moved more down, entered in this buying zone. Then we had a nice price reversal. Here it entered the buying zone. Then we had a nice price reversal. That was, by the way, more than 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at this live chart, then here on the weekly time frame chart, we have a very, very huge development. You can see that render has already broken out a very long-term downtrend line resistance of this down channel. And here we had a very, very strong support at 40 cents. And you can see, even though we had a long spike up to here, up to the next support of 27.4 cents, but the price line did not break down this 40 cents resistance so far. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, several touch points you can see for the past several months. The price line had been touching this point but could not break it down, and now we had a very, very powerful reversal. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of June 2022 up till this high, then it is almost 700% up. And after the breakout, when we broke out this channel first time here in the month of October 2022, since then, it has rallied more than 360%. But this is just the beginning. You can see that the price line is not able to break out this very, very strong resistance of $2. Once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very, very bullish rally once again. Now, on the 4-hour time frame chart, for the past several days, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. You can see we found the support here in the on 15th of Feb 2023, and we found a resistance here on 2nd of March 2023, and recently, few days ago, on 12th of March, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And here, in the short term, we have found another very nice support. That is at $1.15. You can see we tested the support here, here, and here it has been breaking as a resistance. And before that here, it was breaking as a support. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $1.90. In my point of view, there is a probability that the price end may also try to break out this very long-term resistance of $2 as well. And the final target for this huge breakout from this down channel on the weekly time frame chart is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately from $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.